Hi guys, and welcome to this week's video tutorial on basic mid-game tactics. This will be the third video of section 1 of chapter 8, dealing with maneuvering material and how to identify the links between enemy pieces so that you can exploit them. So without further ado, let us begin with this short analysis of the position. It will be Black's turn to move in this situation. Red would have 2 chariots, 1 cannon, 1 horse, 2 pawns. Black would have 2 chariots, 1 cannon, 1 horse, 3 pawns. Both colors would have a full guard for defense. However, at this point in time, Black would have the initiative as his cannon and chariot had already crossed the river and were prepared to attack. We would have some form of attack also going on. Before I continue, this match, according to the authors, was based on an actual game that was played. Okay, another thing to note about this position are these 2 pawns over here. Red had offered a trade of material, and um, now it would be Black's turn to move. So should Black accept, or how should he react in this situation? Now, after some astute observations, Black noted that the fastest way for him to go for a win would be to go for the throat-cutting checkmate, whereby the cannon would advance and the chariot would also advance to the elephant's eye and attack the centroid advisor. Unfortunately for Black, this chariot will be able to defend, and now the pawn was threatening to cross the river, which was also guarded by this red chariot. So this chariot was shouldering several responsibilities, duties at this point in time. So how could Black make use of this observation and turn this position into a winning position? The first move, instead of capturing the pawn, now Black could play r9 h9 plus 7. Now if Red continued with p3 plus 1 to attack the horse, which would seem to be a natural move to make, Black could charge his horse to the riverbank and threaten to go for the elbow horse attack. Now Red will be forced to play c8 r8 equals to 5 to block the horse, but unfortunately in doing so, the cannon will now be able to make mischief and advance, and Black would now sacrifice his horse so that he could go for the throat-cutting checkmate, and Black would be prepared to win. So that was why in the match, Black played h9 plus 7. And Black was able to read the situation and gain a winning position in this spot. I do not know the outcome of the game, but this seems to be a very viable tactic that was used by Black to gain a winning position. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video. If you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.